Are you an enthusiast or an inspiring entrepreneur? Why not be both? AI generative art technology is there to change the game and unlock incredible opportunities to make real money. Subscribe now and let's go on this exciting adventure together where art meets technology and imagination turns into income.
Have you heard of Avatar AI yet? It's a revolutionary tool that lets you turn yourself into a photorealistic AI avatar. And let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. You can choose from 112 plus different styles, ranging from punk desert warrior to jungle Instagram model to video game protagonist, and let your imagination run wild. It's like becoming whoever you want to be, all with just a few clicks of a button. The process is simple. After payment, you get a link to upload your photos and start the creation process. The service uses advanced AI algorithms like Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth to generate avatars that look just like you but in the styles you choose. They recommend taking 10 close-up photos of your face, 3 profile shots from the side, 5 chest height photos, and 3 full-length photos. The more different your images are, the better the results will be. High-quality photos work best. And it's important to remember to look away from the camera and have a variety of facial expressions and backgrounds. And it's not just for humans. You can turn your furry friends into AI avatars too. Imagine being able to have your pet portrait in a punk desert warrior style or a jungle Instagram model. The options are endless. And if you're in a relationship, why not turn yourselves into a couple and show off your unique style to the world? The first in the world to offer AI photos, Avatar AI uses artificial intelligence to turn your small square AI avatar into a full-size 2:3 AI photo in 4K resolution. It's a great way to save time and money on an actual photo shoot, which can cost anywhere from $300 to $3,000. You can get over 120 4K AI avatars with Avatar AI for just $367. The AI visualization model used by the service, Stable Diffusion, was created by many researchers at LMU Munich and Runaway ML with the support of Emad Mostak and others at Stability AI. Meanwhile, Dream Booth, an open-source deep learning generation model, was developed by researchers such as Nathaniel Ruiz of Google Research and Boston University in 2022. It allows you to train AI visualization models to be who you are in photos, and then generate any image in any style you want. Creating your avatars takes about 46 minutes, and Avatar AI accepts payments through various methods including credit or debit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Ideal, SoftWorld, Bancontact, Prelevi24, GeoPay, EPS, GrabPay, Alipay, and many others. But unfortunately, they do not accept PayPal or cryptocurrency and do not plan to shortly. In addition to creating AI avatars and photos, Avatar AI also offers other features that make the experience even more enjoyable. For example, users can use the built-in photo editor to adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings for each avatar. This way you can fine-tune your avatars to make them look even more like you, or adjust the style to your preference. Another cool feature is the ability to create personalized animations with your AI avatars. You can use the animations as your profile pictures on social media, as a way to introduce yourself in a video, or as a fun way to share your personality with friends and family. The animations are created using a combination of AI algorithms and motion graphics, and are sure to be a hit on social media. The AI avatars and photos created by Avatar AI can also be used for various purposes. For example, an AI avatar can be the perfect solution if you're looking for a new profile picture for your social media account. They are unique, stylish, and a fun way to showcase your personality. You can also use them for professional purposes, such as creating a LinkedIn profile picture or as a professional profile photo for your resume or portfolio. Another excellent use for Avatar AI is for dating purposes. If you're looking for a new way to show off your personality and interests, why not create an AI avatar of yourself in a style that represents who you are? You can create a romantic couple's avatar with your significant other, or even a pet portrait of your furry friend. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, Avatar AI is a powerful and innovative tool that allows users to create AI avatars and photos that are photorealistic, fun, and unique. The possibilities are endless with over 112 styles to choose from and the ability to adjust your avatars with the built-in photo editor. So why not try Avatar AI today and see what kind of AI avatar or photo you can create for yourself. Have you heard of Daft Art? It's the most excellent and most straightforward AI-powered tool for creating stunning album covers. Whether you're a musician, a band, or just looking to make some cool art for fun, Daft Art has covered you. With Daft Art, you get to interact with the AI visually appealingly. The AI provides a wide range of aesthetics so you can easily find a perfect look for your album cover. And don't worry if you're not a design pro. AI does all the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is pick and choose. You can create as many drafts as possible until you find the perfect one. And once you do, you can customize it to your heart's content. Edit the cover text, change the font style and size, and add or remove cover information. The final product is a high-quality detailed image with the correct aspect ratio, ready to be uploaded to all music streaming platforms and social media. But here's the best part. Before you finalize your cover, you can preview it on a live device to see exactly what it will look like. This way you can make last-minute changes to ensure it's perfect. And once you're happy with it, you can download the final image in JPG format and share it with the world. And if you still need to figure out what you want your cover to look like, no problem. Daft Art has got you covered there too. We have a collection of sample covers made by other artists that you can use for inspiration. This way you can better understand what your final work might look like and make informed decisions. Another great thing about Daft Art is that it's super user-friendly. You don't have to be a tech-savvy person to use it. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can focus on the creative part and leave the technical stuff to us. Daft Art is perfect for independent musicians, bands, and anyone who wants to create a professional-looking album cover without breaking the bank. You don't need any special skills or equipment. All you need is an internet connection and a little imagination. And if you run into any problems or questions, our customer support team is always ready to help. We're dedicated to ensuring our users have the best experience possible, and we're always here to assist in any way we can. At Daft Art, we're constantly working to make our tool the best album cover creator. So don't hesitate to try it out for yourself and create a work of art in just a few minutes. AI Reality is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to dive into the world of augmented reality and learn about the technology behind it. With AI Reality, you don't have to be tech-savvy to understand how AR works, as the tool provides an easy-to-use interface that lets you create prototypes using just text. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. AI Reality is a cutting-edge tool that's packed with features that can help you bring your AR projects to life. You can enter text and see how your projects would look in an immersive and interactive environment, giving you a better understanding of the capabilities of augmented reality. And the best part? One of the best things about AI Reality is its Patreon level, which provides users exclusive benefits and perks. By contributing to the development of the tool, you'll have access to a gallery of projects, discounts on courses, and early access to experimental projects. And you'll be a part of a community of like-minded individuals passionate about augmented reality. Another exciting feature of AI Reality is its support of video players. With the ability to visualize, prototype, and experiment with AR in different ways, you'll be able to experience images created with stable diffusion in physical reality. You'll also learn to create an augmented reality with OpenAI Chat, using ARJs and F-Frame open source libraries. And for those looking for inspiration for the Spark AR or Lens Studio projects coming soon, AI Reality is the perfect tool to get fresh ideas and improve upon them. But that's not all. AI Reality is also a platform for testing the tools of the future. With its mission to make AR accessible and fun for everyone, the device is designed to help people learn about the technology in a user-friendly way. And with financial contributions from users, the device will continue to evolve and improve, making it even better for everyone. In conclusion, AI Reality is a must-have tool for anyone who wants to learn about augmented reality and have fun while doing it. So why not contribute starting at $5 and receive an email to log in for testing experiences? With AI Reality, you'll be able to create unique AR projects, be part of a community of like-minded individuals, and have a blast while doing it. Have you heard of AI Photos? It's a fantastic company that uses artificial intelligence to create artfully inspiring photos. They focus on couples, but individuals can also use their services. The best part is that clients appreciate the company's mission, customer support, and design. AI Photos aims to make every photo artfully inspiring, and they do just that. For only $4.99, you can access over 150 digital images, and if you want a print-ready photo, they offer it for $7.99. There are over 50 stars for men, women, and couples. But it's not just about the photos. AI Photos uses its cutting-edge AI technology to create realistic and unique digital avatars for various contexts, like social media, games, or virtual reality environments. They offer a limited time discount of 50% off, so you can have the chance to experience an unrealistic digital representation of yourself or your significant other. And the feedback from users is fantastic. Take Ahmad Satchel, for example. He thinks it's a pretty cool app that's simple to use and creates exciting avatars in many different genres. He's even using one of AI Photos avatars and says the results are excellent. It took him a while to pick just one avatar because there were so many great options. Overall, AI Photos is worth checking out if you're looking for a fun and personalized virtual experience or just a unique digital representation of yourself or your significant other. With their advanced technology, excellent customer support, and fantastic design, you won't regret it. Highly recommend it. Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the Booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals.